Hello guys, welcome to Double Tech again. Today we'll be talking about how to place your business on the Google map just like this so that your business will be showing on everyone's phone and you can even Uber drive to your location by just putting the name of your business over there. Okay. So without talking much, let's just dive into it. So you actually know how it looks like. So I'm not going to talk much about this over here. Right. Now let's just dive into it. First of all, you need a Google business account. So that's what you are going to create first. So you come to Google Gmail, then you click on create. You click on to manage my business. All right. So here you input your first name. So I'll input the business first name. Okay. So that's Oliti Farms. Actually, the business deals in poultry, as majorly in eggs. So when I'm done setting up, you can go and check them out if you want to also be dealing in poultry eggs and be distributing for them. So the month you can select the month that you started your business or your own date of birth. Okay, so yeah, I'll just start. I'll just give my own date of birth, like just a random date. So 2002. The gender, you can just leave it like this. Custom. What's your gender? Um, just leave it. Um, so let's just give it. Let me just select rather not to say. Yeah, I think that will be it. Alright. Okay, so they'll now give you options on the email to select. So I feel I'm going for this one. This one is simple. Then click on next. Alright, so you set up a password. Alright, alright. So next. Alright. So you can set up a recovery email at this stage or you can just skip. So for now, I'll skip and do that later. Okay. With the phone number, let me just skip for now. I'll treat that later. And also this, I'm okay with the name, so just go on. Alright. So the terms and conditions, and I'll click agree. You can read, please read though. Just read through because most people don't read terms and conditions. So please read and just click continue when you are done or agree when you are done with this one. Okay. All right. So your account is ready. Now set up your business. Yeah. So you click on continue. All right. So here you input your business name and the business is Oliti Farm. Yeah. So just like this. I think I should have left the space up. All right. I'll edit it. Let me just go back. Let me leave a space between the ODT and the farms. And then be like a gap between them. Alright, so let me do this. Okay, so we have ODT farms. So they will ask you whether it's an online retail or a local store. Yeah, so you should select the one which best suits your business. So this is like a local store. You have to visit the person. Alright, so which category? Let's see, it's farms. So farm. Um, so nest. All right. So the location. Now, before you continue, you have to have the location of the place in mind where actually you want the place to be. So you add the location here and we'll go set that up. So I'm going to grab the location and get back. All right, so I'm back. So let me just put in what I saw over there. Okay. Um, don't worry about it. If you make a mistake here, because you can actually edit it and change it later on. Okay. Mm, wow, I just swapped it. Yeah. So, mm, all right, all right. So this is what I got. I don't know whether that will be okay. But let's just continue. And also you need a phone number, but you can skip it and put that in later. All right. Put your business on the map. So yeah, if you want them to send you news on tips to improve your business profile, you can click. But I don't want to. I'm clicking on next. All right. So now at this stage, um, Google will have to go through and verify your business details, and they'll like verify your account, make your account verified. Right. This is a stage where you have to do that. So select a way to verify in a business video or verify later, anything you have. So if you have a video of your business, you can upload that and they'll see and approve actually what you are doing. Okay. So let's just move to the next thing. I don't think I have it right now. So let's just move to the next thing. Um, then after that, capture all three requirements in one continuous video. Okay, you are capturing your location, uh, that's the street in which you are, and your business name category should match the business that you are showing to them. Okay, right. So I actually don't have these images, so I'll go and grab them and update this video. But for now, you can do that. Okay, and click on next and start recording. All right. You can also have an option to actually upload also. So you can click on next and start recording or change the option that you have here. Okay. So you click on change option and you have different options to pick from. Let me just uh, yeah. So verify later. Let me just click on that. Verify later. But you have to verify your business. That's something you have to do. Okay. So you select the days that you want that you'll be working. So select this and I'll be opening at, let's say, 12 a.m. I don't know why I'll be opening at 12 a.m. Uh, I'll be opening at 12 a.m. and closing at this time. actually you can change all these things when you are done. Okay, so you can just edit it your own way, right? But you have to also set up this. So when you are done, you click on next, right? I'm skipping. So let's customers message your business on Google. So yeah, they should. So you just take that and click on next or skip. Yeah, click on next for this one. Mm. So a little description about your business. So right for this, I'll have to head to ChatGPT to do that for me. Yeah. So I'm going to get a little description for this business. Um, Short business description. Oh, wow. Still loading. Okay, let's see. All right. So, um, so short business description about quality farm. All right. So, and it will generate a description for me, and I can see this description is very lengthy, dedicated to high quality, and I have to specify. So let me change that. Um, Quality farms. So let me just put it here. Dress in all the eggs. My spelling just correct that. Eggs, poultry, and eggs. I think this will be okay. Let's generate. Yes, it's measuring high quality products. So with strong content, sustain. I mean, it is, we provide our. mm, Yeah, yeah. So I think the first one is okay. So I just copy that and head here and just paste it in. So after pasting it in, Grammarly checks and uh, I have to change some stats. Oh, okay, and also this. Okay, I think you are good to go. You can read through again and do your changes. I'm just clicking on next to move on. Now on this stage, at this stage, you just have to add images of your farm as well. Because I don't have the images at hand right now, I'll ask the client to send me the images and also send me a video of like the surrounding. Okay, that's what I'll do. Or maybe I'll go there by myself and take pictures of the place. Okay, so let's just keep this for now. Right, advertise easily in minutes. Skip. So editing. Okay. So edits will be visual. Sorry, your edits will be visible once you are verified, and that is why I said you should first of all verify, and before you get here, so that when you are verified, everything will just move in place. So that's all. So at this stage, you can just see what you've done over here, but your customers can see it here, like Google won't show it on their official search page. So after you are done verifying, then Google will now show it up. That's it. But you just have to see what's actually you placed in there. So I placed in this as my address, and also as you can see, not publicly visible. All right, and you can come back here and add your phone, your hours, your website, and the photos that we didn't add. All right, so this is the important part. Get verified before you show up. Right. So when you're done getting verified, um, you will now show up on the map after being verified. Okay. So add a map to your website, get business on Google, blah blah blah. Right. So after they adding you to the map, they will also demand you to upload some pictures. So which you need to do. So please, all the process that I've skipped, I will advise you that you should actually go back and fill in those gaps, right? So that they will show up your business online. All right. Okay. So I thank you guys for watching, and please like, subscribe, and also comment. Let's get engaging, okay? So that will make this channel an interesting one. All right. So I think that's for today. You guys stay blessed and see you guys in another video. Okay. All right. Bye.